Hello everyone, it's Sheltek and welcome back to another video. And today we're taking a look at the newest LTC gaming headset. This is the SoundSlave 502 wireless headset. This is the follow-up to LTC's 501 wired wireless headset and offers a decent number of upgrades over previous models, including both 2.4 GHz in Bluetooth connection, active noise cancelling, comfortable earmuffs, better battery, and are just better looking. Today I'll do a quick unboxing, go over the controls and comfort, sound quality. I'll also do a mic test and I'll tell you if these are a good buy at under $60. I will also drop a link to these in the description if you want to check them out. Alright, let's open up the SoundSlave box and see what's inside. First up on top is the user manual, then a detachable microphone, a USB-C extension cable, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, the 502 headphones, and then here it is, a USB-C wireless dongle, which we'll have to plug into the computer to get us the 2.4 GHz wireless connection. And that's it. So first impression of the 502 headphones is that these look great. I love the all black motif with just a small understated logo and minimal wording. They feel incredibly well made and they have an almost premium feel to them. The band across the top is plastic on the outside and a soft padded faux leather to rest on top of your head. This whole band can be adjusted using the sliders up and down to fit your head. Now flipping the headset around and looking at those ear cups, now you can see they have a hard plastic shell. I love the fact that they twist and rotate. This is perfect so you can lay them flat on your desk. On the side is some branding and a switch and indicator lights. And on the inside of the ear cups there are also a small L and R logo so you know which way to wear. These are also repeated on the inside of the ear cups. The ear cups themselves are very well padded and they feel like an incredibly soft foam and have a luxury feel to the touch. Overall, I think they look nice and feel premium. They are definitely a step up in the looks department from LTC's previous model. So when it comes to the comfort of these headphones, I can safely say after wearing these for extended gaming sessions, these are my most comfortable headphones I've worn. The band on top doesn't rub or scrape my head even though I'm bald. Then the ear cups with their faux leather and soft padding mold nicely around my ears. They are breathable, keeping my ears free of sweat and comfortably cool. Now let's go around the headset and let me show you the different buttons and controls available. On the right side is the power switch. You just slide to turn on and off, and the LED indicator will light up either orange for 2.4 GHz mode or blue for, you guessed it, Bluetooth. Holding down the play pause button for 3 seconds will switch between these two modes. On the underside is the active noise cancelling switch, the volume up and down, which can also act as the next previous button. And in the middle is the play pause button. Next to them is the USB-C charging port. There is no option to use these headphones in wired mode. As I mentioned before, these headphones support 2.4 GHz mode. If you don't have Bluetooth available or want to use your PC, laptop, iPad, or Switch, you can use the included dongle to plug directly into a USB-C port. But if you don't have one, LTC includes an extension cable to plug into a USB-A cord. You will have to pair up your headphones to the wireless dongle. Just put the headset in wireless mode and then hold the plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds and you should be good to go. Whether in Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz mode, you'll have a range of 33 feet or 10 meters from your PC or device. So the main reason that most people are interested in the gaming headset is the sound quality. So what do they sound like? Well, I can start off by saying that they use 40mm large aperture drivers that delivers higher sound and great bass. Right out of the box and during gameplay, they sound quite punchy and clear. I didn't find them too loud and could hear background effects and explosions in an immersive way. All the sounds are picked up in pretty good detail. On the other hand, the ANC or active noise cancelling is another matter. When switched on, the LED indicator will turn blue. I did try it switched on and off and I did notice quite a difference in sound quality and actually prefer it switched off. The sound just sounded fuller with it, especially when listening to music. Although the 502 advertised ANC, I found an overall hum in the background and the sound to be hollower. When switched off, the sound in my gaming returned back to its original rich self. With the build quality of the 502, I'm not sure it needs ANC as outside noise during gameplay really didn't puncture these headphones. The SoundSlave 502 has two omnidirectional microphones, a built-in one located above the 3.5mm jack, and a detachable flexible mic that gets you a little better sound during intense gaming and chatting. So here's a test of the built-in mic and the detachable adjustable mic. Now here's a test of the built-in mic of the 502s. How's it sound to you? To me it sounds just alright. It's picking up some background noise from my PC and other general room noises. I really think you have to be in an extremely quiet room so your voice can be clear during calls or game. Now adding the adjustable microphone, you notice the difference right away as you are able to get the mic closer to your mouth, therefore limiting some noise and allowing your voice to be projected better, but still not as clear as I want, so both mics are just passable in my little test. When it comes to using the headset over time, LTC says that you'll get around 16 hours out of the quick charging battery. That would last me about a week, although if you're a heavy gamer, it would give you a couple of days. Charging is straightforward, just use the USB-C cable, plug it into the USB-C slot, and the other end into your computer or 5-volt adapter. So would I recommend the LTC SoundSlave 502 gaming headset? The answer is a resounding yes, especially for around 60 bucks or even cheaper when they're on sale. At this price, they are definitely a great buy. They look good, no lag, they sound good, they are comfortable on my head, they have a great wireless features, and long battery life. Of course, with everything, there is room for a couple of improvements. I found the ANC to be lacking, and adding wired capabilities will make these headsets even more versatile. Well, you just made it to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Check out a couple of other videos to help your gaming. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shell Tech.